On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. If you want, you can join Clickbank, you can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using Clickbank. So once you create your accounts on Clickbank and login, what you have to do is that you have to click on the marketplace right here so that you can find digital products to promote. So let's click on it. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to get an affiliate product that you can promote. To get a product, you have to select from any of these categories that you are seeing on your screen. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see all the categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So you can see it right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you want, you can come right here and then sort the products by the gravity score. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to select gravity high to low. Once you click on that, you can see the products has been arranged. The first product has a higher gravity score, meaning the first product, a lot of different affiliates have made sales promoting the product. You can see the gravity score right here. You can see the commission rate is $148.65. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. It has recurring rebill, that is $12.07. The recurring rebill means the product owner has an upsell product that they are going to promote to the customer once they buy the product. So when you get a customer to buy the product, you earn $148.21. After the main commission, you still stand the chance of earning $12.07. So this is a good product that you can promote since the commission rate is high. If you scroll down, there are many other products that you can promote under the health and fitness. One good thing about the health and fitness category is that it is evergreen. All the time people are buying weight loss products. So if you select any of the products and promote it, you are going to be earning money all the time. So just select any of the products that you want, promote it for a long time so that you can get to know the audience, know their behaviors, their interests, so that you can be making money all the time on Clickbank. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this product right here, Live Pure. Once you choose the product, you have to do some little research about it. So you have to get to know whether the product owner has an affiliate resources that you can use to promote the product. You also have to look at the landing page of the product so that you get some basic information about it. If you want to get to know the resources available, what you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can get access to the resources page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the resources page. You can see they have video that you have to watch. If you click right here, Google Drive, you can get some resources that you can use to promote the product. Once you click on it, you can see these are resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of them that you want, you can just download it and then use it to promote the product. In this case, we are not going to be using any of the resources, so we are going to use a different approach so that we can be making money promoting the product. Once you have checked the resources page, the next step is that you are going to check the landing page. To check the landing page, you are going to click on the name of the product. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they buy the product. You can see right here, if your potential customers decide to get 30 days supply of the product, they are going to be paying $69 per bottle. 180 days supply, they are going to be paying $39 per bottle. 90 days supply, they are going to be paying $49 per bottle. Any of these packages that your potential visitors select, you are going to still earn a commission. You can see right here, they have free shipping for people who choose the second option. You can see it right here. You can see they have money back guarantee. That means if the customer does not like the product, they can return it and then take back their money. This kind of information convinces people to buy products. So the landing page is good. When we promote the product, we can get people to buy it for us to earn a commission on Clickbank. So now once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you're going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, create a link so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to buy it for you to earn a commission on Clickbank. So if you want, you can use free traffic source or you can use a paid traffic source. In this case, I'm going to show you a cheap paid traffic source that you can use to get many people to buy the product for you to earn money from home. We are not going to build a landing page, but if you want, you can build a landing page and then promote your landing page. We are going to be using a direct link. We want people to click on our direct link and then buy the product. The traffic source that we are going to be using is clickagile.com. This website is one of the cheapest traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link. The best part is that you can target up to 140 countries. You can see they have up to 13 ad formats, and you can see they get up to 4.5 billion visits. You can see that is the daily traffic. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can use this platform to advertise your link and then get many people to click on it and then purchase the product for you to earn money. To create an account, you're going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to see a page like this. Select personal. Once you select that, you're going to enter your name, email address, password, repeat password, enter your Skype name right here, and your phone number. So the phone number is optional. If you want, you can enter a phone number. So once that is done, you are going to select right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, click on sign up so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you're going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are the ad formats that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of the ad formats that you want, you can select it. In this case, we are going to be selecting in-page. So select that. Once you select the ad format, the next step is that you are going to give a name to your campaign. So you are going to type any name that you want. In this case, we are going to type Live Pure, something like this. Once you type the name of your campaign, you are going to select the pricing model. If you want, you can select cost per click. That means you are going to be paying per every click that you get. CPM, that means you are going to be paying per every 1,000 impression. You can see CPC plus gold. If your potential visitors take a specific action, you have to pay for that. In this case, we are going to be selecting CPC. We are going to select the cost per click, meaning anytime you get people to click on our link, we have to pay. Once you select that, you can see this is the default cost per click. This is the amount that you are going to be charged per every click that you get. You can see the amount is very low. You can see it right here, very low. So if you want, you can maintain it or you can increase it or decrease it. It depends on the amount that you are willing to pay. In this case, I'm going to leave it with the default, but it will change per the country that you select. If you select tier 1 countries, the price here is going to change. If you don't want the system to change by itself, you can see right here, we are going to switch the default. We are going to switch it off. But in this case, I want the default, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. You can see right here, traffic quality. If you want high quality traffic source, you can select that. If you want all kind of traffic, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to leave it with high quality traffic. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select ad. We don't have an ad, so we have to create one. To create an ad, you are going to click right here, create a new one. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to give a name to your ad. So let's continue with Live Pure, something like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see common URL. If you want, you can paste the link to your affiliate product right here. If you want, you can skip it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Clickbank so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on Clickbank, you are going to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Your affiliate link, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to scroll down. You can see title. You are going to give a title to your ad. If you don't know how to write a useful title, you can use ChatGPT. So just type a prompt like write an ad title of how to lose weight using Live Pure, something like this. Live Pure. Let me cancel Live Pure. So write an ad title of how to lose weight using Live Pure. Once you type your prompt, you are going to click on send so that it can generate a title for you. Once you click on send, you can see it has generated a title. You can see it right here. If you don't like this title, you can click on regenerate and it's going to generate another one. You can see this is another title that you can use. In this case, I'm going to use this ad title. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to write a brief description about the product. So you are going to come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you are going to type something like add a description, make it short. You want a short description, so just type something like this, make it short. Once that is done, you are going to click on send so that it can write a simple description for you. You can see it is writing a simple description. This is the description, so you can click on regenerate so that it can add another one. So you can see it has added another one. As you can see, that has been done. So once you have your description, just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to scroll down, but you can see right here the title is too much, so you have to delete some of them. You can delete from this portion, just delete this portion. I think we still have to delete some of the text, so let's delete unlock, delete this. Once you delete it, you can see weight loss with live pure. That is it. Let's leave it like this. Once that is done, you have your description, you have the title. Once you have your description and the title, the next step is that you are going to upload images of the product. If you want to get images of the product, you can come on Google and then search for weight loss with live pure. Once you search for it, you can see different images of the product that you can use. In this case, I'm going to be using this image right here, so just click on it. Once you click on it, it has opened. Right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you click on save images, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you download the image, you are going to click right here so that you can upload it. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image is uploading, so you are going to wait for it. You can see the image has been fully uploaded. Just crop it the way you want and then click on done. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can upload the same image right here, so just click on it. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, you can see the image, click right here done so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, it is uploading right here. See, the image has been uploaded. If you scroll down, you can see this is the preview of your ad. You can select the different platforms. This is the preview of your ad on Android. If you select Windows, this is the preview of your ad. Once you have created your ad, the next step is that you are going to select the traffic categories. If you want adult traffic, you can select that. If you want mainstream, you can select that. In this case, we want mainstream, so select that. Once you select it, you can see they have subcategories. Under the mainstream, you can see a lot of different categories. In this case, we are targeting only health and fitness, so select that. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you are going to select the country. The countries that you are targeting, you are going to select them right here. So click on it and then select any country that you want. In this case, we are going to target the tier 1 countries. So you are going to search for United States. Just search for United States. You can see it right here. Select it. Once you select it, you are also going to search for United Kingdom. So search for United Kingdom. As you can see it right here, select it. Once you select it, you are going to add Canada. So search for Canada. As you can see Canada right here, select it. Once you select Canada, you are going to add Australia. Target Australia. You can see Australia right here. Select it. Once that is done, you are going to select New Zealand. So search for New Zealand. You can see it right here. Select it. Once you have selected the tier 1 countries, the next step is that you are going to select the connection type. There's no need for that, so just leave it. You can see the browsers, just leave it. Operating system, just leave it. The most important part is the location, and we have selected that, so just leave the rest. Once that is done, you can see the device type, languages. The language we are going to enter English. The offer is in English, so we want people who speak English, so select English. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the language, we are going to leave the rest. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, if you want to blacklist any IP address, you can do that. If you want to whitelist any of them, you can equally do that. But in this case, we are not going to do none of that, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see you can limit the hourly budget, you can limit the daily budget, the total budget. If you don't want this platform to spend your money anyhow, you can set a limit, but in this case, I'm not going to set any limit, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can limit the number of impressions that you get hourly, daily, or in total. You can equally limit the number of clicks that you get per hour, daily, and total. So any of them that you want, you can limit it. but in this case I'm not going to limit it, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want to limit the number of days that your ad run, you can limit it. So assuming on Monday you don't want your ad to run, you can just select that. If you don't want your ad to run on any hour of any day of the week, you can select that, but in this case we are not going to restrict that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click right here, create campaign, so that you can create your campaign. So just click on it. Once you click on campaign, it has been successfully created. You can see your campaign has been successfully created. You can see it right here. You can see it is pending approval. Within the matter of some few hours, they are going to approve it and your ad is going to start running. Before your ad run, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money, you are going to click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can select any of these methods of payment and then deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can select it and then deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can start running and you are going to be getting people who will click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.